Next is 10th question. Identify the palindromic sequence in the following. Palindromic sequence. What is that? Palindromic sequence. Palindrome. Palindrome or palindromic sequence. Palindromic sequence. Palindrome means if you read from any side, it should be same, like madam, M-A-D-A-M, 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 madam, or Malayalam, M-A-L-A, Malayalam. You read in any direction, Malayalam, Malayalam. This is called as palindromic sequence. Okay, so in case of DNA base pair also, while cutting, we should go for same sequence in both the direction. Let us see. See, here it is given, and the correct answer seems to be, see here now, for example, GAATTC, here no, GGATCC, GGATCC. So this is the correct answer. An enzyme catalyzing removal of nucleotide from the end of DNA is endonuclease, exonuclease, DNA ligase, hind 2. DNA ligase is to join now out of these two, both, because both of them are nuclease from the end of DNA. Remember, nucleases are of two types. Nucleases, one which cuts the DNA. Nucleases are of two types. Endonuclease, exonuclease. Exonuclease cut the DNA from any edge, from any last part, okay, at the end. Endonuclease anywhere in between at specific site. So this is the answer. So here correct answer should be from the end, exonuclease. GAATTC, actually these are the nitrogen bases, guanine, adenine, thymine, cytosine, is the recognition site for the restriction endonuclease. EcoR1, hind 2, EcoR2, BAM, H1. Correct answer is EcoR1, knowledge based. Coming to 13th question. 13th question. Plasmid is an autonomously replicating circular extrachromosomal DNA, an autonomously replicating circular extrachromosomal RNA, a circular protein molecule, and autonomously replicating chromosomal DNA. So plasmid is DNA. So answer should be either A or D, plasmid. See here, when we think of plasmid, plasmid, okay, one point is it is circular, double stranded, extra chromosomal, it is not present on chromosome, extra chromosomal, circular, double stranded DNA generally present in bacteria is called as plasmid. So the correct option must be, which one is correct option now? And it replicates of its own, so autonomously replicating circular extrachromosomal DNA. 14th question. Blindness is prevented by the use of which crop in poor countries? Golden rice, wheat, gram and pea. Answer is golden rice. Why golden rice? Because golden rice, it is actually application of biotechnology. It is prepared specifically by incorporating vitamin A into this, which is very much needed to cure blindness. It's the deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness. So golden rice is rich with vitamin A. So it is, blindness is prevented by the use of this crop, golden rice. Question number 15. Which one of the following bacteria has found extensive use in genetic engineering work in plant? knowledge based, Bacillus coagulans, Xanthomonas citri, Clostridium septicum, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and it is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. 16th question. Cry2AB and Cry1AB produces toxin that control, again knowledge based, cotton bollworm and corn borer respectively, corn borer and cotton bollworm respectively, tobacco budworm and nematode respectively, nematode and tobacco budworm respectively. Answer is A. Cry2AB for cotton bollworm, Cry1AB for corn borer. 17th question. Bt toxin kills insect by inhibiting protein synthesis, generating excessive heat, creating pores in the midgut epithelial cells leading to cell swelling and lysis, obstructing a biosynthetic pathway. Bt toxin, we know it will be in inactive form, but when it enters into the body of bollworm or any such worm, then it damages them with respect to this, creating pores in midgut epithelial cell leading to cell swelling and lysis.